Hey guys, let me show you how to install Windows 11 on your system. If you have a system that doesn't support TPM 2.0, I'll show you the best way to install Windows 11 on your system. First of all, you need to verify if you have a system that supports TPM 2.0. So what you need to do is open Windows Security. You can search for Windows Security, open it, and head straight to Device Security. At the left side panel, you go to Device Security, then you click on Security Processor Details. The specification version should be 2.0 if your device supports TPM 2.0, but if it is 1.2, it means your device does not support TPM 2.0. So now, once you have verified that, you have to download Windows 11 from Microsoft's website. Search for Windows 11. All right. Once you get to once you search for download Windows 11, you click on this first link from Microsoft. Now you scroll down and you head straight to download Windows 11 disk image ISO. So this is the file you need if you are going to boot through your flash drive. I'll teach you how to create a bootable flash drive. So download Windows 11 disk image, select download. You select Windows 11 multi edition. Then you go to you select download. Once you click on download, you allow the page to load select the product language. Now you select English International and you confirm. Now you can now click on 64-bit download. You can now click on this to download your Windows 11. I have downloaded it, so I don't need to go through the download process again. So here is my Windows 11. So this is my Windows 11. Now you would need Rufus. This application, you will need Rufus to be able to install Windows 11 on your system without that doesn't support TPM 2.0. So this particular Rufus application, I'm going to zip it and put the download link in the description below, because you can't get this version again on Rufus website. And the latest version, I tried it, but it didn't work for me. I just also recently moved my system to Windows 11. So you need this application to be able to install Rufus, to be able to install Windows 11. So once you get this application, you open it. Now, put in your flash drive. You select your flash drive at the top. Select your flash drive. Boot selection should be disk or ISO image. Now you go to this section and click on select. Browse through your files and select Windows 11, the one you downloaded. It could fall into the download folder if you don't save your files on your desktop. I saved mine on my desktop, so if you can't find it on your desktop, just go to the download folder. It should be there. Select the location you downloaded your Windows 11 into. Now, image option. Select standard Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. The first one is for systems that supports TPM 2.0, but the second one is for system that doesn't support TPM 2.0. So you need to select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM, no secure boot. So you select this. Partition scheme, MBR. Target system should be BIOS, UEFI, CSM. So your file system, NTFS, and volume label, you just give it a name if you wish, Windows 11, and yeah, you click on start and you allow the system to do its thing. So I'll pause this video and I will get back to you once it's done. All right, it is done and it says ready. So you can now eject. You can close this. So to install the Windows 11 on your system, if your current operating system is Windows 10, you don't need to restart your system to install these updates. So you just simply go to the flash drive, open the flash drive, then open setup. Do you want yes? Just select yes, and you allow the system. You allow the Windows dialog box to come up. Though I'm currently running Windows 11, so I don't need to install. But if you are coming from Windows 10, this is what you need to do. So you click on change how setup download updates. Select not at the moment. If you select download drivers and optional features and you are connected to the internet while the installation is going on, it will download drivers and other updates for your system. So you select not at the moment, toggle this. I want to help make the installation better. Then click on next. It will check your PC if it is eligible for install. Since we use the Rufus application to boot our make a bootable disk, it has removed all the TPM restriction on Windows 11, so you should be good to go. Okay, accept. Making sure you are ready to install. All right, change what to keep. Select it. Now you have three options. If you want it to format everything on your system and you need a clean version of Windows 11, Windows 11 without errors or virus or anything, select nothing, which means everything on your system would be removed. Your files, application settings. So you would boot your system afresh like a new system. If you want to keep your documents, your personal apps, your personal files, pictures, Microsoft Word documents, downloads, you can select keep personal files only. If you want to keep your applications so you won't have to go through the process of installing Microsoft Word and other applications on your system, so you select the first option, then you click on next. Allow this to load and your installation would start. But since I'm already on Windows 11, you just click on install. You click on install, but I'm on Windows 11 already, so I don't need to do this. So I will just end it here. Now that is how you go through your that is how you install your Windows 11 on your system if you are coming from Windows 10. All right, so that is done. You can now close this. The other way to install Windows 11 is by restarting your system. Once you restart, press the escape button. It will ask you press escape to enter startup menu. So you go to your startup menu, select boot device option, then you select the flash drive you plugged into your system. So I'll be making a video on how to activate your Windows 11. So you don't need to go use a third-party application like KMS Autonet, KMS Pico, or whatever application out there to avoid viruses. I'll give you the serial and you'll be able to activate it using the internet connection only. So that will be all for today, guys. See you in the next video.